Hello guys, today we're back to the course of Scratch and now I'm going to teach you bitmap. But not bitmap, it's drawing now, but drawing in convert to bitmap. Okay, but I'm going to show you an example of it. I'll call it color slider. We're going to make a variable and we're going to let it do like this. See guys, the color change and everything's right. Colors are sliding. Yep, we're doing it. So here it is. We will create. When we create, it's loading here. Creating blocks. Loading. So at here we don't need this. This time we will paint it, like I said. But it's not convert to vector. It's convert to bitmap. Convert to bitmap is pixel. You can zoom in a lot of them. Lot of them. Zoom in more and more. And you can see that they're big pixels. But we wanted maybe just one pixel. See? And the one pixel has come. Too cute. Mask. Okay. This is what I'm making, but I think I want to make something else. Here it is. Our thing is this 10 is enough. See now small. This time will equal, and here we're back. It cannot erase because we didn't draw anything. The pixel, I'll go back to 10. And see that the 10 is happening. But if you want a circle, I'll zoom in to make an example for you. You can see that when I'm doing this, I'm going to zoom in more. You can see that there are pixels around them, and I can even make another circle. I can put it around it, then make a bigger circle. Maybe an oval. Wow. Wait, let's block it. Circle is have an outline. So but first I'll delete this purple thing, and I'm gonna make an example for you of the circle. See the outline? It has a circle around it, but it's not filled. Food has a circle around it, but it's got filled. Thickness. This one is don't have. This one thickness. You can see that our is very big. Don't need it. Need it to be smaller as maybe 1 pixel. There it is. I can make it super big, maybe like this one. Here it is, and it's a pixel art. This one is filled. If I put it here, it will look like it filled, like over here. Here it is. And maybe this one. It's gonna look like two of these, but now I'm gonna erase. You can see it's very small. Now we'll change this back to 10. Maybe 20 could be big enough. Here it is. There lost a pixel there. And all I want to draw is maybe maybe a lightsaber. Lightsaber is Star Wars. If you want to look, then wait your ages. Change the saturation to white. then brightness to just here, so it can be properly gray here. Okay, and you can see this thing. First I'm gonna put it maybe here. Get the lines. Put them back to black. Then I'm gonna try to make a little line in there so it can look like a lightsaber laser of swords in Star Wars. That's what they meant. Okay, and now I'm gonna make this part. Okay, yeah, we got a lightsaber. But we're gonna make the laser up as red. Put it here. I feel like I wanna get this towards, and I want it to go here first. I'm gonna flip it to this side. Okay, safe for me. And here we got a laser. This is spin map, so you can touch anything. I want it to be just this. And here it is, we got it. It can be smaller or bigger. Maybe smaller. Would be great. And now I'm gonna use lines. Put it as red like I want. The same red. Like this, so it can be a little bit sharp. Use lines and lines. We got it like sword now, guys. We will right click then duplicate. This time we will erase it as 20. Try it if it's got enough. We'll delete some of these parts and put it here. And we'll duplicate this another time. This time, nope, not this one. I think this one. Duplicate. Then we will erase it. I think it's too small. Maybe 40. You can see it's really big. We will delete this much. Maybe this much. Would be great. Put it there. Right click duplicate. Add more. Erase more. But do you want to know about color? If you want, then I'll show you. Graphic effects. Here it is. You can see that the color has 200. First one is orange to light yellow, like you have orange. So when you make it, it's gonna be it's gonna turn a light yellow. And then 10 to 20, a light yellow to a yellowish green. And here, yellowish green to a medium green color. 30 to 40, medium green to a thick green color. And 40 to 50, no concentrations change. And 50 to 60, a greenish light cream color. 60 to 70, a light blue tint green to a fully light cream color. 7 to 80, a light cream color to a light blue color. 8 to 90, a light blue to a medium dark blue. 90 to 100, a medium dark blue, a thick dark blue. 100 to 110, darker and darker blue. Here is a slowly more purplish blue. And here it is 120 to 135 is violet to indigo. And here we got here as a readily mixed pink and purple. Yep, that's good. Pink, purple together. And here we are a readily pink red color. And 170 to 180, a thick red color. 180, 190, a dark orange color. And then identical to the original color at this one. That's mean over here is mean the same color of at the first one. Understand now, guys? Now we'll go back. But I want to make the lightsaber look like it's trying to small to big. So I'm gonna erase them like this. And I will duplicate, right click more. Do this, this, and here I got it. Here it is. I will first one click that I said is very important. Here it is. X 0 Y 0. Click. And here it is. We got our thing. We'll let it switch costume to costume 6. Then, but now we're gonna make a wearable. Wearables or thing that keeps or something, and I'm gonna call this color. Slider could be great. Then we will okay. It's not like this. It's wrong. It's not. So all we need to do is remember I taught you about repeat. See the costume. You'll need to count this thing. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, it's 5 costumes. We change this to for 5. Then we will next costume for it. And we'll switch costume back to 1. Here it is, we got our thing. We see it's too fast. We will change this to 2.3. Would be great. I think it should be like could be 1. Try. Oh yes, great. So here we got our thing, but we're still not done. You will let it set color effect. It's not change color. So set color effect. We'll go back to our variables. And the color slider could be here. All you need to do is don't forget that it should be forever frame. When you went click, it will come. And if but we don't have the slider, we'll go to sliders. Here it is. Change slider range to 200. And then I told you before about the graphic effect. Here we got our thing. So orange to light yellow. Here it is. And light yellow to a yellowish green. Just like color. Then it will turn out yellowish green and yellowish green to a medium green color. And if you remember what I said before, because I also don't want to talk about now. I'm going to want to adjust the lighter. Can you keep it up? There it is. Why then go back to the same color. That's why I told you to use red color. And if you use other color over here, it will back to the same color too, guys. I think next time I will teach you do what to. And bye for now. I'm gonna make a name for it as color. Oh, forgot it. Color. Color. Oh, slider. Slider. And here it is. And I made my video. So I will let it. YouTube. Episode, what is it? Maybe I should do it later. I'll get this as draw in bitmap, wrong bitmap, could be great, episode, I don't remember, so maybe I just do that and then I'll do like this. Here it is for the end, and bye for now. No need to worry that you will do wrong bitmap or not. I am counting on you.